lovely. Very nice, hot, cheap beer. Women, very nice. Good culture.
It's kind of a slightly crazy mix of different cultures. So you have something German, something Nordic, something Russian. There's a mix of everything.
Beautiful people.
A lot of tourists here. Many, a lot. I don't know, too much maybe.
Actually, I was looking for some master programs related with energy, and I learned about it while I was searching in internet.
Of course, in the internet. The first in the internet and some in the tourist guide.
From internet also.
Yeah, from internet.
Estonian people, at first they are cold, so they are shy and cold, difficult to interact. But once you get good friends with him, be good friends with them, they were nice and friendly and cheerful people. But first you need to make the first step.
Estonian girl, very beautiful. Food is better in Italy. But in Estonia, not so bad.
Obviously, they are beautiful.
Thank you.
And
Such a good husband.
but it's a wonderful society, and I like the fact that even if it's a small society, it has lots of opportunities for leisure and for work and for culture.
I think there's a lot to see and visit.
Highly recommended.
halvad kõik meeled, kõik tundub liigagi hea. nii läheb veel kord kitele ja tagasi ei vaata. mustal sametisel ööl sa lähed, linnatulesid veel kaugel näed. usul maailm muutub nüüd ja siin, sinuga koos velvetiin.